guys, so today I'm going to be quickly showing you how I refresh my curls without re-wetting my hair. So I usually do this when I need to get like another 2 days out of my wash and go and I don't have enough time to completely co-wash it or shampoo it yet. So my hair actually didn't look too bad on camera now that I'm looking at it, but it looked way worse in person, trust me. But I just like to section my hair into 3 sections to start out with. And I'm just going to be using this L'Oreal Dream Length leave-in conditioner. So this is what I used to actually do my wash and go this time. So I highly recommend when you're doing this to use the exact same products that you originally did your wash and go with to refresh your hair. Because if you use a different product over top of what's already in your hair, you might get a lot of residue, a lot of flakes, and it probably won't mix well. So I just recommend sticking with the product that you originally did your wash and go with. So I try not to section my hair too much with this because usually when I'm doing this, I'm in a rush and I just try to focus mostly on the more frizzy areas. So as you can see the difference here, my hair already looks a lot shinier. So I take a good amount for each side because I'm not really sectioning. So if you're not really sectioning, you can take more product. But I'm heavy-handed with product anyway, whether I'm refreshing my hair or doing an actual wash and go. So you guys already know this. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just taking about 2/4 size amount of the leave-in conditioner for each side of my head. And I'm also going to take the exact same amount for the top. So I really wanted to show you guys how I did this because I've always gotten a ton of questions about how I refresh my hair without having to re-wet it. And at one point I didn't know how to refresh my hair without re-wetting it. And honestly, this takes a lot less time because when I re-wet my hair, it takes way longer to dry. So when I do this, when I just add the product onto dry hair, it only takes about 30 to 45 minutes for my hair to dry. And normally my hair takes about 3 to 6 hours, depending on what kind of product I have in my hair and how much. So this is just super helpful for me when I need to get like another 2 days out of my wash and go, or if I need to like last minute revamp my curls and I don't have time to co-wash or shampoo my hair. So this is just a nice little hack that I like to do. Now granted, this is probably not gonna last you a whole nother week. At least it doesn't last me a whole nother week because I usually have to wash all of this product out of my hair after 2 days. But this just helps to get you like another 2 days out of your wash and go. So now I'm just going to take some of my Jessie Curl Spiralicious Styling Gel to the areas that get more frizzy, which is usually the front. So I'm just going to focus it on those areas. I'm not going to apply it all over my head because it wasn't necessary. So now I'm just going to let my hair air dry for about 45 minutes. Then I'm going to take my macadamia healing oil. I usually use whatever oil I want. It doesn't have to be a special oil or whatever. I'm just trying to scrunch out the crunch. And of course the oil adds some shine as well, so that's always good. So like I said, this technique that I do is super helpful when you don't feel like washing your hair or co-washing, or more importantly, if you don't have time, you need to get an extra 2 or 3 days out of your wash and go. This is super helpful. At least it helps me, so I hope it helps you. So that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see y'all next time.